happy Durga Puja to you.
Happy Durga Puja to all of you. Shubha Mahaya.
Thanks a ton to Bay Area Prabasi non-profit organization on the auspicious occasion of Durga Puja. They are organizing the wonderful concert by Kavita Krishnamurti ji. Listen to the wonderful voice of Kavita Krishnamurti ji after a long gap of COVID pandemic. This is an auspicious occasion of Navratri, and joining us is none other than Shamita Sen from the non-profit organization Bay Area Prabasi. Now, in the state of West Bengal, back in India, Durga Puja is probably the biggest festival out there. It has like beautiful festivities, it has unique celebrations and a lot more, and you're bringing that mini West Bengal here in the Bay Area. What would you say?
Yes, it is our dream always that our children enjoy the festivities as much as we enjoyed back in India. And it is a lot of hard work because we have regular work day life. And but it's when you see a festivity like this year after year, you know, Bay Area Prabashi is going on in its 40th year, 48th, and very soon will be the 50th. Our golden anniversary to celebrate. So being able to hold on to the heritage and a festivity like Durga Puja in a grand scale, especially this year, coming back to Shabo, which is really our Bay Area Prabashi home for Durga Puja. And we just pray to Ma Durga, take the COVID away. So next year our festivities can be on a larger and grander scale without the capacity restriction. I wish everybody the best for Durga Puja. Enjoy the festivities with your friends and families and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and best wishes to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Durga Puja as well. May Mata Rani bless us all.
Looking forward to this concert because it's my first concert after 2 years after COVID. So it's a first live concert. So There's a bit of, apprehension also because, singing live after 2 years, but I'm really feeling that it's going to be a very enjoyable evening for me at least. The joy of being with live musicians and performing after 2 years is absolutely a great feeling.
Absolutely, and we are looking forward to it.